In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the canvas size in Canva easily and quickly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, adjusting the canvas size to meet your project's needs is a simple process, especially if you're using Canva Pro. So let's dive right in and walk through these easy steps together. To start, ensure you're logged into Canva and have your design open. Now, one of the main features offered in Canva Pro is the ability to resize your designs effortlessly. On the top menu of your design interface, you'll see an option called Resize. Click on Resize to get started. This feature unlocks a world of possibilities and is particularly useful if you need to adjust design elements for various platforms or sizes. Once you've clicked on Resize, you'll be presented with a range of suggested sizes. Canva provides these suggestions based on common design formats such as social media posts, posters, or even business cards. This is perfect if you're adapting your design for a specific type of media and saves you the hassle of looking up dimensions. Simply choose a suggested size if it fits what you're after. However, if you have specific dimensions in mind or require a custom fit, Canva also caters to this need. Right under the suggested sizes, there's an option for custom size. Click on this feature if you want to input your own dimensions. This is ideal for those who have exact specifications or want to ensure their design fits particular project requirements. Once you select custom size, two fields will appear for you to enter your desired width and height. You can easily type in the values that suit your needs. It's important to note whether you're using pixels, inches, centimeters, or millimeters, as this can affect the outcome of your design, and choose the one that best fits your project requirements. Being able to specify dimensions is especially useful if you're creating anything from a web graphic to print media that demands precision. After adjusting your dimensions, it's time to finalize your changes. To do this, click on Resize this design. This action will automatically update your canvas to the new size you've specified. This feature allows for flexibility, ensuring that your design remains intact but is now fitted perfectly to your new canvas requirements. And there you have it. Changing your canvas size in Canva is as simple as that. With these steps, you can ensure that your designs are perfectly tailored to fit your creative vision and project needs. Whether you're resizing for a new campaign or just wanting to adjust your current design, Canva makes the process incredibly user-friendly. Happy designing and see you in the next tutorial.